She don't care anymore. Yeah. Used to call me baby, now she don't call at all. Used to catch me when I'm falling, now she watch me fall. Late nights on the phone, turn to late nights alone. Used to be a castle, now I'm just a broken home. I remember when she smiled every time I walked through that door. Now she barely looks at me, guess she don't care no more. Put my heart on the table, put my pride on the floor. But it's clear in her eyes now, she don't care anymore. She don't care anymore. No more, no more. Used to knock, now she locked the door. She don't care anymore. I keep calling, but she don't call back no more. She don't care anymore. Guess I ain't who I was before. She don't care anymore. She don't care anymore, yeah. Started as forever, ended like a Tuesday. No warning, no closure, she just walked the other way. I was building up a future, she was building up a wall. Now I'm standing in the wreckage, watching everything fall. I gave her poetry, I gave her all my time. Wrote her name in every verse, every single line. But love ain't one-sided, can't fight a losing war. Gotta face the truth now. She don't care anymore. She don't care anymore. No more, no more. Used to knock, now she locked the door. She don't care anymore. I keep calling, but she don't call back no more. She don't care anymore. Guess I ain't who I was before. She don't care anymore. She don't care anymore. Maybe it's on me. Maybe I let go too slow. Maybe I was drowning and too proud to let it show. But pain don't lie, and neither does the silence in this room. She don't care anymore, and that's the truth I gotta consume. She don't care. She don't care. Guess it's over. Guess I gotta be aware. She don't care anymore.